Auntie Mar, and I'm back, baby, with the waxing video.
Alright family, so today I am using the Pretty Girl Wax. I just want to note this is not sponsored. I just love this wax and I love how it melts. I love how it applies to the skin. So this is my wax of choice. Alright family, you are about to see me cleanse the area. Cleansing the area removes any oil from the skin. Next, you are going to pat the skin dry, remove the excess liquid from the skin so the wax application can go on smoothly. Now you are seeing me apply the wax. When you apply the wax, make sure you apply a lot of pressure so the wax can get deep in the root. And you just want to wait a couple seconds. Check the wax to make sure it's dry. Then you want to grip the wax by the lip and you pull towards the body. When you pull towards the body, apply pressure immediately because it stings. Next, I am doing a reverse strip. The reverse strip is to get the hairs that didn't come out the first time. Make sure you apply that pressure. And always throw away your stick. Never double dip. Check it. Pull the skin tight and just pull the wax. Apply that pressure. You can use the back of the wax to pick up any excess wax that didn't come up. Next, I'm going to tweeze. Get the little hairs that the wax wasn't able to grip. Finally, you see me go in with some serum that will prevent ingrown hair bumps. And that is it.